What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Qt in Steam. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam, or you can type in store.steampower.com. Now after typing, on the right side at the top, you will see the button of login. Click on that. And if you are new to Steam, simply sign up with your email and password to create your new Steam account. But if you already have a Steam account, simply click on login and then you will be automatically logged in to your Steam account. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the left side, you will see the option of install Steam. Click on that and install the Steam application. Now, after installing the Steam application, you will see this type of application dashboard of Steam. Now, from here, you need to click on the left side at the top on the Steam's icon, and then you need to click on Settings. Now, after the pop-up window of the settings appears, click on Downloads and in the download section, scroll down a bit and then click on this Clear Cache option. After clicking on Clear Cache, a pop-up window will appear to confirm your clearing cache. Simply click on Confirm and this will confirm that you just need to delete all the cached files that are junk in your download section. So after clearing all those junk files, your download will resume and will get downloaded more faster. So this is how you can download or you can solve this queue downloading issue. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.